Okay, we are here doing the second half of the 2013 through 2010 box. This half's going to include the one-on-one printing plate, box of Prime, and my personal favorite, a box of 2010 plates and patches. We're going to start with the Prime because that is the one I've already opened one of, so I'll know a little more about it. Bear with me here. Okay, here is your serial number. Should be able to see that pretty good. Box is all sealed. Let me go through the names quick. We got M Skins, who has Bengals and Ravens, and from these boxes has the NFC West, so 49ers, Seahawks, Cardinals, and Rams. We got the Zone 22, who has the Giants, Redskins, Eagles, Packers, Bears, Lions, and Vikings. We got AFC East is David Dewey, Pats, Dolphins, Jets, Bills. And we have the Snake Eye 777, who has the Broncos, Chiefs, Chargers, and Raiders. Once again, any multiplayer cards will go to the person on the top or the person on the left. If a cowboy is on the card and it's a multiplayer card of any kind, I automatically get it. Otherwise, it goes to top left. Coaches and high school players don't go out, but I don't think there's any of those here. So that will not be mattering, I assume. Empty box. Good luck to everybody. This one we will have 4 hits, including 1 auto relic, 1 auto, and 2 regular relics. Okay, to start it off, we got Seahawks, Bobby Wagner. Go one from the back. Bjorn Warner, that's a rookie card. J.J. Watt, Sproles, that's an insert. Adrian Peterson, and we got a gold for the Bengals of A.J. Green, gold insert. Put a little plastic case around that. The gold inserts, there's some short printed of some type. They're not numbered, but they're a little thicker than the normal one. There's a Bengal for you. Pack feels heavy, but so do a lot of them. So, tough to tell. Yep, I'm just crazy. Okay. We got Doug Martin, Ridley, Andy Dalton, Matt Ryan. We got a Prime Timers for the Packers of Clay Matthews. We got a, for the Broncos, rookie Tavares King. Not numbered. All these cards feel thick, so it's tough to tell what hits are in what box. Okay. We got Jason Pierre-Paul, McFadden, Arian Foster, Wes Welker. For the Giants, of Victor Cruz insert. And a rookie of Eric Fisher for the Chiefs. That one looks thicker. Okay. Vincent Jackson, Stevie Johnson, Larry Fitz, Des Bryant. First hit. We got Vance McDonald, rookie. Oh, nice hit. E.J. Manuel for the Bills, autograph. It is numbered out of 75. That is a nice hit for the Buffalo Bills. EJ Manuel, numbered 59 out of 75. Nice hit. One down. That means 3 to go. Calvin Johnson, Jonathan Dwyer, Trent Richardson, Colin Kaepernick. We got a Prime Timers Adrian Peterson. And we got a Marcus Wheaton base rookie. That one's a thick one. I think that one's a thick one. So we'll save those two maybe. Could be wrong. There's got to be at least 3 thick ones because we got Tom Brady, Von Miller, Ben Roethlisberger, Reggie Bush. We got a Luke Kuechly for the Panthers Prime Timers, and a numbered Desmond Trufant rookie for the Falcons out of 250. I don't know if anybody got the Falcons. I'm kind of thinking not, but not sure. 212 out of 250. These cards are thicker. I'll figure out a case for them later. This one's got one that's a little thicker, but could just be a just an insert. We got a Robert Woods rookie for the Bills. Crabtree, Roddy White, Brandon Pettigrew, Troy Polamalu, and a gold for the Dolphins of Mike Wallace. There's a couple of those per box. Not anything crazy rare or special, but they're nice. They're different. Okay, 3 packs left. 3 hits left. So good luck to everybody. We got Reggie Wayne for the Colts. I assume the one in the back is the hit. Oh, we got a Matt Buckley for the Eagles, numbered out of 350. We got a Justin Blackmon, Danny Amendola, I'm assuming, Rob Gronkowski, and your hit is a nice hit for the Bills again. Nice hit, a quad combo. Quad combo relic. You got Stevie Johnson, Marquise Goodwin, EJ Manuel, and Robert Woods. It is numbered out of 373. 341 of 373. Quad relic. We also got a Matt Buckley for the Eagles. $317 out of 350. Trying to find a case for this guy. So far, Bill is cleaning up this box. You got two good hits already. Matt Buckley, not a bad card. As I said, the thin ones I'll find a case for. We got 2 thick packs left. Going to be a auto relic and a relic. Quad relic looks nice though. Okay, we got Frank Gore One from the back. We got Andre Ellington rookie, Frank Gore, Aaron Rodgers, Joe Flacco, Tony Romo, and your hit is for the 49ers, Vance McDonald, numbered out of 99, 35 out of 99. Nice hit for you. I'll get that in a case in a second, but for 49ers, just bought the NFC West. Nice, out of 99, Vance McDonald. Okay, in the last pack, we somehow managed to save the auto jersey, which is probably the hit of the box for the last pack. It is a thick, thick card. Oh, it's a good one. Tyler Wilson, Jason Witten, Percy Harvin, and your hit is a Monty Ball, numbered out of 25. Nice hit. That is the best hit we have got thus far. Monty Ball auto jersey out of 25. It's got a piece of ball, it's got a patch, and it's got two jerseys. Be as careful as I can be. Tape off this case. That was a good box. E.J. Manuel auto. Vance McDonald's a good tight end. 4 quad Bills. And the hit of the box, Monty Ball, numbered out of 25. Auto jersey. Nice hits. Those are some nice boxes. We got to push the Harvin on the end there. So that'll do it for the prime box. I know AFC East got one, NFC West got one. Let's see. Snake Eyes. That'll be yours. Congrats on that one. I'll pop it in there for you. David Dewey, you're going to be getting Bills and both the Bills cards. Giants, The Zone, you'll be getting Matt Buckley, numbered rookie. And then M-Skins, you'll be getting Vance McDonald jersey. So everybody at least getting a numbered card out of that box. Could have been a lot worse there. Keep this out for the second being. Okay. Time to do this this one-on-one. I have never opened one of these. Will be kind of intriguing. If seal is broken, as far as I know, seal is not broken. So, there's your seal. All the way around. Bottom sealed. Everything's sealed on it. Unbreak the seal. This will have an encapsulated, which doesn't mean graded, but means it's slabbed with plastic. A Beckett encapsulated there, either Leaf or Leaf Ultimate, I think. Printing plate, 1 of 1. And it's going to go to unsigned printing plate, 1 of 1, DJ Williams. I am not sure who DJ Williams plays for, so I will look that up for sure. Might as well look it up before I do the last box. goes to the first team he was drafted by, or the first team he signed to, in case he was not drafted. If he didn't get signed or drafted, then I get to keep him. But I've heard of him, but I could not tell you what team he is on. So, computer's being stupid. So I'll put that back away for a second. Okay. DJ manual auto go in here. Nope. I got all these different cases of different sizes. I need a thicker one for a couple of these cards. Okay, computer's booted. DJ Williams, 2000. Nah, I'll figure him out. DJ Williams, linebacker. I'm assuming he was born in 1988. Drafted by, I'm assuming this is DJ Williams Jr. tight end. Ultimate draft, unsigned. 2011 draft, Williams was selected in the 5th round by the Green Bay Packers. So, to the Packers, DJ Williams. Who's got the Packers? You got only the number card last time, so the Zone 22, you'll be getting DJ Williams. Okay. These are hits that I'll be giving out. Lots of nice cards over here. Okay, last box. This is the big one, I think. I like these boxes better than most of the other ones. They give you a rookie auto jersey patch, and it is usually encapsulated. There is your ID number. This is actually like a wood box. It's a nice box. Okay. The seal on the front. I'm really hoping for Dez Bryant. I'm a Cowboys fan. That would be awesome. There's the seal off. Okay, and your first hit of the box is a redemption. That sucks. I know a lot of the time Panini will honor these. So, we're going to see who this goes to. I'll show it to you before I look. Rookie signatures, plates and patches, card number 211. I'll leave this in the frame. 211. It is Dez Bryant. Are you kidding me? Dez Bryant, 211. Man, I hope they give me that card. That would be, what are the chances that I ask for Dez Bryant, get Dez Bryant, and it's a redemption? So, hopefully, Panini America comes through. I know a lot of the time they do come through with at least something. Wow. That is awesome. Sucks that it's a redemption. Okay. Here is your box. I believe you take one card off the back. First card's a little bent. That was not my doing. Oh, you don't take one card off the back. Okay. Oh, card off the back is still in the box. So, card off the back is a 38 out of 499 Mark Sanchez for the Jets. I'll put each of these in a case as I get to them. These ones are thinner. They should not need a crazy case of any kind. Mark Sanchez out of 499. Next card, which is a little bent from the case, 468 out of 499, Darius Hayward Bay for the Raiders. Are the Raiders in one of those? That I don't know. Let me look. Darius Hayward Bay. The Raiders are in Snake Eyes with the Broncos. You'll be getting that guy. Okay, next is a Frank Gore for the 49ers, numbered out of only 100. Not a bad hit. What are the chances I get Dez frickin' Bryant? And it's a redemption. 211 is Dez Bryant. Man. God, I hope they give me that card. Frank Gore, number 4 out of 100. 49ers, you'll be getting that one. We got, picked up a couple. We got for the Houston Texans, Andre Johnson, City Limits, numbered out of 299. Texans, I'm not sure if anybody has the Texans. Out of 299, I'm sorry. Anybody have the Texans? Raiders, I don't think so. I think they're in the Colts division. So yeah, nobody has the Texans. Let me know if you're interested. Next card, is for the Vikings. Auto, Joe Webb. Case quick, and then I will tell you what it is numbered out of. We got a Joe Webb out of 249, 98 of 249 Joe Webb auto for the Vikings. Vikings, the zone 22. Trying to keep organized piles over here. It's not really happening too good. Another hit for the AFC East. You're cleaning up on this half the break, man. It is Devin McCourty. Autograph. Numbered out of 549. Devin McCourty. 455 out of 549. AFC East, cleaning up. We got 2 cards left. I'll pick them both up. We got a Jay Cutler jersey for the Bears, which will go to the zone 22. And let's see, that is numbered out of 299. And the last card, we'll do a little flip, is a Carson Palmer for the Bengals. Numbered out of 299 as well. Both out of 299. I can't believe that was a Dez Bryant and it's a redemption. So I really got my fingers crossed that Panini comes through. I hear a lot of the time they come through on these kind of boxes, especially the nicer boxes. So fingers crossed for that one for me. We got a ton of hits over here. Probably the best of them being, we got a Monte Ball, 25, nice hit for you. We also got an E.J. Manuel auto for the Bills, along with cleaning up Devin McCourty, a 4 quad jersey for the Bills. We got Jay Cutler and a Carson Palmer for the Bengals and the Bears. We got Joe Webb for the Vikings. We got a Vance McDonald for the 49ers. We got a Matt Barkley numbered card. And for me, about the only card I got out of this whole thing was the one I asked for, but it was a redemption. So, fingers crossed. Okay, well, thank you for purchasing. I know everybody, let's see, we'll go through this 4 or 5 of you. Snake Eyes, I know you got the Monte Ball. Skins, I know you got the Carson Palmer and the Vance McDonald at least, along with top other cards. Vikings Lions, I know you got the Joe Webb, you got Eagles, you got a Matt Barkley. Bears, you got a Jay Cutler, and Dewey, you cleaned up. You got E.J. Manuel quad jersey. You got the Deion Jordan the other day, Devin McCourty. Okay, so that is going to do it. Thank you very much for purchasing, and hopefully we can do this again.